When upgrading or renewing your business computer system, you are probably purchasing software, hardware, and services too. Now the supplier is going to give you a draft contract, and what you will do is you will read it straight away, and then you'll hand it to a lawyer who specialises in reviewing software contracts. Only kidding, in fact, you hate lawyers, don't you? You sign it and you put your copy in a drawer. Now there are a number of potential problems with computer contracts, and here are just 4. 1. The exclusion clause. See, this limits the liability of the supplier. For instance, your claim against the supplier may be limited to the price that you paid for the software. And if the software and services have brought your business to its knees, then you will find this to be a very small compensation. Who is going to use the software? Make sure that the name of the right company, employee, and the type of license is appropriate for the requirements of your business. In fact, there are 12 different types of license, and any changes in the license use will cost you money. For example, imagine if you get the name wrong and you buy the license for one company but you want to use it for another. What about if you have a license which allows you to use it at one address and you want to use it at a branch office too? Or you want to sell your business and transfer the software. 3. ESCO agreements. The source code should be held by a third party in case your supplier goes broke or just loses interest. Otherwise, you won't be able to make any changes to your software. 4. Termination. The contract will deal with what happens on termination if the matter goes badly wrong. For instance, if you don't hand over the money, then you can't use the system. Are the software suppliers sometimes quick to charge high fees for permission to use software in ways which was not in the contract? Well, yes, they are. In fact, in the software business, this is called stiffing and happens too often. Computer contracts need to be carefully negotiated. Be warned.